Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is the YKPOWER 300 watt portable power station. This little power station really packs a lot of power, and I love to take it with me when I'm going on long road trips or have it around the house in case of an emergency blackout. This power station has all of the outlets I need. It has two AC outlets, it has one 60-watt USB-C port, four USB-A ports, and a DC car port, which I love that I can use my car to charge this power station. I can use this to charge simultaneously phones, laptops, iPads, even a virtual reality headset. Altogether, I can plug in 9 devices at the same time. I love that this power station also has some really practical features, such as these non-slip grips on the bottom, so it makes it very hard to move it around. It also has emergency lights that can be either solid or flashing, and a very comfortable and high quality carrying handle. So if you're looking for a super portable power station that can still charge all of your devices, look no further than this YK Power power station. But hey, that is just my point of view.